Welcome. If you've noticed that LinkedIn now makes follow the primary action when someone views your profile, and you'd prefer to have connect as the main option instead, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable the Make Follow primary feature on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Visibility. This section lets you manage how others see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Inside the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Followers. Click on it to enter the followers settings. Here you'll see the setting called Make Follow Primary. By default, this might be turned on, which means people visiting your profile will see the follow button as the main action instead of connect. To change this, simply toggle off the Make Follow Primary option. Once you do this, the Connect button will return as the primary action on your profile, making it easier for others to send you connection requests instead of just following your updates. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Make Follow primary feature on LinkedIn. These changes take effect immediately, so you don't need to refresh or restart anything. If you ever want to switch it back, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting on. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. See you in the next video.